Hey guys, doing a quick little repair on my John Deere S100. This is the 38-inch dual blade. I'm sure this is the problem with a lot of different John Deeres though. The parking brake handle that's supposed to be right there, you can see here it's snapped off, right? Right there, it's snapped off. Now here's the new one that I got, and that's what it should look like with that little thumb on there. And what you do is you just get all you got to do is slide it in there, and then you're going to connect this rod right here to it. There we go. See that there? So line that up with the hole from underneath, and then you can just slide the orange part back in. All right, I slid it in, clipped it in place, and now I can actually release and engage my parking brake again. It was getting to be a pain in the butt because I couldn't engage it with park with that busted thing, and so I had to turn it off every time I needed to stop to get off it for some reason. So got that fixed. It's like a $5 or $10 part on Amazon. I'll link it below so you can get one. But quick fix. See you guys on the next one.